Hey my friends, welcome to the channel. Want to move your crypto from Coinbase Wallet to Binance? Whether it's USDT, Ethereum or any other token, it's very easy. So firstly guys, open your Binance app or websites, tap Wallet and then Deposits. Select the crypto you want to receive, choose the correct network, tap Copy to save your Binance deposit address. After that, we're moving to the Coinbase Wallet now. Launch the Wallet app, tap the crypto you want to send and tap Send. After that, paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier, double check that network matches. Sending to the wrong network can lose your funds permanently. Enter the amounts you want to send, tap Next, confirm to send the crypto. Transfers typically take a few minutes depending on network congestion. And that's how you withdraw from Coinbase Wallet to Binance safely. Subscribe for more how-to videos and tutorials just like this. See you next time.